Good evening, friends. Let me introduce myself. My name is Mithil Tarkar. I've been associated with Max Life for the last 13 years. And the 13 years I had been into the agency business of Max Life. Agency is the business, as most probably all people might be aware, agency is the business where you have to recruit and recruit and recruit. In Max Life, there's a say, if you recruit, nothing matters. If you don't recruit, nothing matters. That means recruitment is very important for a survival, and if you want to survive into life insurance, you have to be a very good recruiter. So how you can be a very good recruiter? The only good things is that Max Life gives you a very good learning program for you, but as an experience of 13 years of experience of life insurance industry, I've been associated to helping a lot of people to recruit MDRTs, councils, and top agents I'm trying to bring into this industry. And I assure you, this 2021, I will bring and launch an MDRT agent with Max Life. Moving ahead, like how to recruit people, I'm going to share the experience. But for that, you have to stick to this video till the end. And at the end, I would like also to have your suggestions. How was the video? If you liked it, I would like to show me a thumbs up. My name is Mithil Tarkar. I've been associated with Mumbai One Max Life office at Prabhadevi. My mobile number is 9821371296. Minimum number of points if a person is having, the chances of the success in this Max Life is going to be very much. So how to calculate the points for the particular person? There are 4 to 5 things like we are looking out for, and we are giving maximum 3 months for everyone. If the income is about 10 lakh, then the chances we give him 3 points. So definitely when the income of the person is 10 lakhs and above, definitely the contacts which he is having also is going to be the same thing. First thing is the income. Second thing is whether he or she is married. If he or she is married, again we give him 3 points. That means if he is married, he or she is serious about a career of making and earning money. So you have to identify whether he or she is married, again 3 points over here. Whether it's from a business or a voluntary retirement he has taken, we are looking out for people from business class, from people who have taken VRS. We are identifying them, and if we get people from the business class, his mindset is there that he has to, there's no fixed income, he has to work. The mindset is there. So these people are successful, the people from the business class and the people from the VRS sectors. Then it's education. Education is okay, 12th and 12th. And the last thing is the age. Every person should be 30 plus. Because we identified the people who are successful in this industry are 30 plus, and they are very much over here serious, and they are here as a long-term career, and people listen to them as a financial consultant and take the advice. So 3 points for everything. Education, it's okay. Income, marriage, business, class or age. If 1, 2, 3, 4, if it's a 12 pointer, if you get the maximum of these people from this type of all these having the characteristics, that the success of this people can be very much high into this industry. So try to bring this type of people with the maximum number of pointers. I hope that when I'm talking about pointer system, because most of the people who are not aware with and familiar with Max Life will not come to know about what is pointer system. But yes, in the pointer system we have identified, we already told, we have got a mindset, this is the type of people we are looking, and this is, if it's from business class, he can be successful. If he or she is about 30, he can be successful. Again, if it's from a family background, it's from business, he or she can be successful. And definitely if the income is of the family is about 10 lakh of rupees plus, or the family I'm talking, he or she can be successful. Fee, if we are looking to bring a very good agency, definitely we are looking at people. Why this year? Currently you might be aware that this COVID situation is very, very bad outside. Where we used to do physical and where we used to meet personal in person, now the things have changed. We are not meeting anyone in person. Everything is going on Zoom, everything is going on digital. So the things have changed and we have to adapt to the change. So this is the one part of it. But looking at the overall, the effect of the COVID on the industry is like, if you look at aviation, if you look at hotel industry, if you look at airlines, if you look at most of the industries have had a very bad impact. Entertainment, and if you look at travels and tourism, they have been affected a lot. People have started losing their jobs. And when people have started losing the jobs, we as a recruiter can identify these resources like where we can take these people, hire the good people, and from where we can hire it, we can identify this situation, and according to that we can go and take the people and pull them into the business. So moving ahead, if you want to have a good agency, your agency, what does it mean agency? You should have an all-rounders in your set. Like if, for an example, if you're watching cricket, if you know cricket, the team is a combination of a good team. What does that mean? A combination of good team means what? You should have batsmen, you should have bowlers, you should have a wicket keeper, you should have bowlers also, you should have spinner, and batsmen also you should have hitters and defenders, and apart from that you have to have a wicket keeper and all-rounders also. So when you think of a team, of a cricket team, you have to have a mix. Why? Because when it's a time of batting, the batsman will do the job. When it's a time of bowling, the bowling will do the job. But as the entire team, the thing is to win. So in the same business of agency, you have to have a combination of retail player, a good ticket size player, a regular player, a chartered accountants, a housewives. So what does Max Life say about, like, where do they want, how they want? When you recruit, it's like a funnel. If you want to recruit, what is the first thing in your recruitment? You require names. You require people. You require names. After that, you can think about sorting them out. But how can you get the names in insurance? How can you get the names? So there are different ways of getting names. First is through PO, personal observation. We travel around, we go out of places, we see a lot of people around you, like might be when we are standing at one place, when we are doing marketing, when we are doing shopping, when we are traveling, we see a lot of people around us. You have to identify people. You have to identify people who might you feel is in the pointer system, who can be fit into the industry, and you have to approach them. You have to approach with a proper script. So script is very important. If you have to form a dialogue with anyone for the first time, you should have a proper script. A script is very important to make you a successful person in the industry. You can't go directly and ask the person for exchange of cards and this is my card. You have to have a script. Normally what we do is we approach a person, and what we do in properly, I do is I approach a person and I say, like, I found you that you were very interactive, you had a very good, I found that you were very helping nature and you were very interactive, and that's the reason I feel like approaching you. Let me introduce myself. My name is Mithil Tarkar. I've been associated with Max Life for the last 13 years and I've got a very good, wonderful business opportunity. This is my card. So if you are interested in earning a lakh of rupees per month, this is my card. You can get back to me. I will be there to give you a very good business opportunity. I did not speak about anything in the initial phase. I don't talk about, but I just give a hint that I am a good recruiter. I'm a recruiter. I'm going to offer a business. I'm going to offer you a business opportunity. If you want to earn 1 lakh of rupees, this is my card. Like this, I go on distributing. Hi, I'm Mithil Tarkar. This is my business card. I've been associated with one of the leading multinational company. If you really want to earn 1 lakh of rupees, this is my card. Thank you very much. Next. Again, the same thing. If I'll be starting repeating, if I distribute this card on a daily basis around 20 to 25, that's a very good, phenomenal numbers at the end of the month you'll be collecting. So first way of collecting them is personal observation. Okay. Then after that, the personal observation, there is a COI. This is COI, we call it as a center of influence. Who are the COI? COI are the people who know you very well, who knows me. For an example, in my case, I know someone who knows me by my name Mithil Tarkar and who is interested in my development ahead in my career. So I approach this guy. Let's say that I approach a person whose name is Sachin. I approach Sachin, I say, Sachin, let me introduce, as you know, I have been associated with Max Life. I am looking out for people, from different castes, different religions, and this is the pointer system where I'm looking out for. This is the business opportunity, and I've provided him that, I've shown him that career seminar, what is there for this industry, what is the amount of money involved in this industry. I will show him the entire presentation, and then I will tell him that, see, this is my card, I really want your support to expand and to develop my team. So at this moment, if you think anybody who can join, okay, you can give me the names. This is the COI. At the same time, when I ask him, there is a magic questions. There are magic questions. So if I ask my COI, that is Sachin, please give me my name, any name who you think who are suited or who can fit into this industry. Immediately he will not be getting into and he will not be telling you the names because you are asked him an open-ended question. You have to ask him such a question which will be very easy to answer. So Sachin, who do you think around you are people who know like who have retired currently and looking out for a business opportunity, or whom are the people you know in this like who have in the same 2-3 people are into the same business and they are looking out for a business opportunity. Who you think around you is a housewife and she has taken a very good education, but because of the personal challenge at her home, she is not able to make a money, so she can be a very good part of this industry. So this is the specific questions I have to ask. These are called magic questions. You have to ask a magic questions to get the names, and immediately when you ask the question, write down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers, and as he says the name, on the 5th number you write the name. You take the name. You show that you want at least 5 names from him. You have to collect the names and the phone numbers. This is the way how the center of influence work. So first thing what we have discussed about is the name collection is personal observation. Second thing is center of influence. Third is nominators. What are nominators? Nominators, as I said, like my office at Prabhadevi, there are a lot of shopkeepers around, there are a lot of businessmen around who are placed at one place. So I can make them nominators, I can visit them frequently, I can give them a gift. If I go to any of the person and if I say this is a very good pen, sir, I have come from Max Life and actually I'm a recruitment manager. There's a small, this thing, we are looking out for business partners, and and this is a small token of appreciation. This is a small token of gift that I would like to give you. So if I give a gift to any of the businessmen, might be of 100 rupees, anything, might be a pen set, might be a stand or something, or a mobile charger, anything. Would you think you will not accept it? Definitely will accept. And once you accept it, like if anybody asks you and give you a gift, you will not accept, you will accept it. This is the way how the business is built. You should have that habit of giving. If you go and ask for the name, it doesn't, ताली एक हाथ से नहीं बजती है, दोनों हाथ से बजती है ना. तो दोस्तों दोनों हाथ से अगर बजानी है तो अपने को अप्रोच करना पड़ेगा वैसे. You have to approach people, you have to give them someone. So give them something. फिर बाद में उसे डेवलप करो. Don't ask anything. Just 4 times, 5 times you go over there, say, talk. How is your business doing? What is it? What were you initially? Show that. Acknowledge him and basically तारीफ करो लोगों की. तारीफ सुनने के लिए कान तरफते हैं लोगों के. तारीफ करो. You should be a good, like बोलते हैं ना, if you talk something good about some person, definitely everybody likes. सिर्फ तारीफ करो और कुछ नहीं. See the result, see the magic I'm telling you within a span of one week. If you are visiting consistently for 1 week, day after another, 7वें दिन में आपका नॉमिनेटर बन गया वो. फिर उसको बताओ, सर मेरे पास छोटा प्रेजेंटेशन, I would like to show you a small presentation. At the end of the presentation, ask him the magic questions. जैसे आप किससे खाना खाते हो, आपका family. These are the magic questions. So ask and take names from him. This is the third way of creating COI nominators. And after that, direct marketing. Direct marketing, and this is the one of the most upcoming, I'm telling you, the most upcoming market. This is the most upcoming promise for this industry, where all the things is going to be in direct marketing. Direct marketing means you are into Facebook, your FB, your then WhatsApp. Okay, then all over there, whenever you have that application for your resume, you go over there, talk audience. Go on Instagram, everywhere. You meet people, talk to them, just exchange. Like you will be very much, like the magic or it's just phenomenal, because the network is so huge that I'm telling you, you can put your advertisement that you are a very good advertisement of your, not setting the industry from what industry, but put about it's a good amount of money and there are only 4 things which attract people. Either it is money, second is fame. I will write it down. What are the things which attracts people? First is money. Second is fame. Third is international trips, free of cost. And fourth is social work. These are the 4 things which attract people. So once you design your slide or when you make a distinct presentation of yours, money, fame, international trips and social work has to be highlighted, and make a small frame and post it around. LinkedIn, go to LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a vastest thing. LinkedIn is there. You can talk to people. You can find out which are the industries which are just shutting down. Just approach the people. Exchange your ideas about the business opportunity. And this is like direct marketing you can do. So direct marketing basically and digital are the same. So you can talk on your FBs, your Facebook, your WhatsApp, and of course moving on to your social network. So this is basically how you create names. So once you build this funnel, almost suppose if you collect 200 names from these different sources, that is personal observation, COI, center of influence, then use your magic questions, nominators and direct marketing. After that, what happens, you will get some of the calls and you will ask people, okay fine, come down to my office, I would like to meet you in person. So second thing is after that screening. So if you move and if you collect 75 names, 200 names, I'm not talking about, if we talk about 75 names, if you do it religiously, 75 names, I think it's very good enough number that you can do it in a month. 75 names you have gathered, now out of the set there is filter and you will do a screen, you will invite. So out of that, 12 people will drop to your office. So there you will talk about yourself. Who am I? What is your company, Max Life Insurance? You talk about insurance sector, you talk about the industry, then you talk about Max Life, and then you talk about the opportunity. Here you do a screening. And screening, what is it? I will just give you an idea. You have to talk about yourself on a very high. जब आप किसी से मिलते हो या मिलती हो, तो आपको अपने बारे में you have to position in this way. You are here and the person is here. अगर वो ऊपर रहेगा और आप नीचे, you will not be able to have that confidence. So how you can be on the top of a person? How can you be in the top? First is your dressing. If your dressing is right, then you will be very confident. Second thing is you are already prepared with your presentation. You are ready for the presentation. That will be there. Third thing, you have proper things. उसके लिए चाय कॉफी का proper बंदोबस्त करके रखा. I have told the person I'll be going and creating your interview. You have to bring a coffee immediately after 20 minutes or 15 minutes. So everything has to be in proper to be confident. And once you sit, you have to talk first 5 minutes or 5 minutes are too much. First half minute, 30 seconds, what you talk is going to get an impact. You have to talk something big about you. You have to talk that you are to he should feel like I'm speaking to one of the CEO of the company. I see energy or energy के साथ आपको बात करना पड़ेगा, and you have to look into his eyes and just speak in such a confident way. He should or she should feel that he or she is sitting in one of the wonderful person in the industry. ऐसे बैठने के बाद you will make this position. Then you talk about yourself. Then you talk about your company. This is the other person. This is you on the top. You have that negotiation power. Baat karo, show him the opportunity. What is the opportunity? Show him the presentation, and after that the screening. Just screening hoegi. At the same time, also you have to use a pull and push technique. What is pull and push? Push-pull technique is what? Push-pull is if I show him what are the opportunities, I connect, I tell him about myself, I speak about my company is so big, it's a multinational company, this has been taken by Axis and a lot of things. I'm trying to pull this person into this. At the same time, when I'm pushing it, I'm also offering a push. I'm pressing a lever of push also. How do I do that? I say that, okay sir, I've shown you all my presentation. It's very like I work strictly on a professional basis. So whenever I hire one person, I see that I get one of the best persons. So when I do 12 interviews, I select one. So that is why you have to push him कि भाई मैं 12 का इंटरव्यू लेने के बाद 12 जन को अंदर नहीं करता हूँ. I am the person who will see that once I do a 12 interview, only one person is selected. That is, I'm just pushing him back, my dear friend. So you have to use this pull and push technique. If you don't use it, if you do too much of pull, you are gone. You are giving the chance to the other person also. But you have to have the guts. Koi bhi or whoever it might be in front of you, you have to use this technique. Don't underestimate yourself and don't insult the other person also. You have to talk in a polite way and you have to make it like you are using this pull and push technique. So screening part ho gaya. So once you do the screening, then immediately I will tell him that, sir, I understood that I can provide you the opportunity, but after that there will be a screening, that is P40. So this is the project. I want to know who are the people who will contact. कल अगर समझो आपने दुकान खुद का, P40 is nothing but a project where if I provide you the opportunity, who are the people you are going to meet? Okay. So for that you have to write the name of the 40 people. So जो आपको डायरेक्टली पहचान के है, जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल माय नेम इज मिथिल, तो मेरे को डायरेक्टली मिथिल के नाम से पहचानते, ऐसे 40 लोगों का नाम आपको इसमें लिखना है. दैट इज अ P40 प्रोजेक्ट. व्हाई? जो आप से खरीद सकते हैं पॉलिसी नहीं, जो आपको अपॉइंटमेंट दे सकते हैं. बस पॉलिसी की बात ही नहीं करनी, ना बेचने की बात करनी है. आपके लिए आपके हित चिंतक है और दो अर्निंग मेंबर्स. तो यू हैव टू बी स्पेसिफिक कि ये P40 चाहिए. But many of the people in the industry that I've seen, like they hesitate at this. They fail. They dilute the system. P40 नहीं लेते, बोलते रहे कौन करेगा? ये कौन करेगा? करेगा. Everybody will do it. But provided if you are doing this process, if you are following the process, if you are diluting the process, then everything is gone for a toss, my dear. If you are thorough with the process, if you are collecting the name by PO, COI, लोगों से मिलते हैं, बात कर रहे हो, if you are bringing your confidence level will be very high, that time the people will do. Otherwise आप shortcut मारोगे तो यहाँ भी आप shortcut मारोगे. Then the thing is that you can't hire good people in this industry. After P40, then there's a career interview. Normally career interview push and pull basically यहाँ होता है. Okay, push pull happens here. Okay, it depends whether you want to do it here or not, how comfortable. But with a matter of experience, if you are new into the industry, it's always suggested that the push and pull techniques should be in the career interview, where your office head or your partner or your reporting manager will conduct her or her interview, where she will use this pull and push technique. So normally when you do 275 names, if you gather, 12 will be screening, P40 उसमें से 8 जन बने हैं, career interview 4 जन का लेंगे, तो 2 people will be there in the batch. These 2 people will join you. So this is how the entire process is taking place. So you have to be very vigilant when you are speaking. You have to be very attentive. You have to be very soft spoken, and you have to be full of energy. Now, when I'm talking about recruitment, okay, when I'm talking about pull and push, now if I want to bring the entire process I have shown you, I will give you another example. मैं आपको एक छोटा example देता हूँ. There are lots and lots of things to go and talk on recruitment. But I think if I go on talking a lot of things, I will come on a specific part like screening, personal observation. I will talk to in details of each. But right now I think the video will go on too lengthy. I don't want to make it too long. I wanted to cut it short. So hence I'm requesting you. I hope that if you liked it, please throw a thumbs up. My mobile number is 9821371296. If at all if you want to get associated with me, and if you really want me to take for a call, definitely I'm there to support you. My name is Mithil Tarkar. Once again, see you. I will come out with individual topics for all of you and see to that you are also successful in this industry. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you have liked it very much. Namaste and Dhanyavad, and wish you all the best for the coming future. Thank you very much. Thanks.